Yo, welcome to this video. This is your boy Jon Belcher, aka Jaydis Crete, and in this video I'm going to be giving you 3 signs that you have a fake friend. First off, I hate fake people. I dislike people who aren't genuine. There's nothing worse than having somebody who's supposed to be your friend who's not being real with you. So I'm gonna break down some of the signs that you have somebody who's a fake friend around you. And the first sign is that friend will never allow you to live in your glory, right? So if you just got married, they just got married too. If you just got a degree in a certain course, they also gonna bring up their story about success that they had. Everything that you tell them you do that's good news, they're gonna try to one-up you. They're gonna try to steal your glory. They're gonna try to steal your celebration from you. That's the first sign of a fake friend, is every time you get something new or you level up in something, they're gonna have a story to share with you about something they got new or something they leveled up in. Like, oh, please, you ain't fucking get engaged last week. You ain't get engaged last week. Stop lying. Y'all ladies, y'all know what I'm talking about. So that's the first sign, is you'll never have a chance to be able to just bask in your success, talk about yourself a little bit, because right away they're going to use that as an opportune time to tell you about what kind of success they done had that you didn't even ask about. And you be like, well, why the hell you ain't tell me you got engaged last week? Why you ain't tell me you bought a new house last month? Why you ain't tell me you got a new car last week, right? You know what I'm saying? So that's the first sign. The second sign that you're dealing with a fake friend is they'll always go out their way to support somebody else, but they'll never support you in even the simplest thing. You have something going on, maybe you threw a party, or maybe you're throwing a dinner, or maybe you're doing a performance somewhere. Maybe you're an artist like me or something like that, and you're doing a performance somewhere, you're inviting them. Guess what? They'll never ever show up. They'll never support you. But when Tom, Dick, and Harry ask them to come out somewhere or ask them to do something, oh, they'll run to those people's beck and call. And you be looking at them like, yo, I thought you was my friend, right? How you going to these people's event and you're supporting their event, but you never supported anything I got going on? That's the second sign of a fake friend. They'll just never support what you got going on. They'll always have an excuse. They always got something else better to do. And you'll find that you come last. And these are the kinds of people you want to stay far away from. You don't want to be around fake people, because when you reach the success that's destined for you, that's the worst time to have fake people around you. Because a person could be around you for years just putting on an act. It's very unfortunate, but I know how it is, because I've had friends like that in my life who were fake for years on end. I'm talking about people that I thought would always be by my side, people that I thought was always riding with me. All of a sudden, they showed their true colors. They showed that they were never real from the very beginning. And the crazy part about it is sometimes it hurts. Sometimes it hurts to cut people off like this, but you gotta cut people off like that if you want to be able to attract the things that are meant for you in your life. Sometimes you can have fake friends. You can have a friend so fake around you that God will never allow you to see your blessing until you get rid of that fake friend. That's how deep this goes that I'm talking about in this video. So if you got any friend out there that's showing you any signs of being fake, get rid of them. Get rid of them. Don't even waste your time trying to figure out why. Don't even try to plead and ask them why they move the way they do. Once they show you a series of signs, really one sign, right? But once they show you a series of signs that they ain't really rocking with you, that they don't really support you, it's time to cut them out your life. It's time to let them go. Now, I'm not talking about like friendly competition. Friendly competition is one thing, but a fake friend will be in secret competition with you. There's a difference between friendly competition and secret competition. And what a fake friend likes to do is they like to have secret competition with you that you have no clue of. They run in their own competition with you and you're not even trying to compete with them. So that's the second sign that you got a fake friend, in your life. Right now I'm looking on my phone. That's why I keep looking away, because I'm looking at the timer, making sure I do this video within a timely manner, right? So that's the second sign. If you like what I'm talking about, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and drop a comment below. I want to hear your thoughts on some experiences you might have had with a fake friend. I would love to hear your story, because who the hell likes a fake friend? Who wants to be around somebody who's not genuine, somebody who's not real, someone who's not who they say they are? So last but not least, the third sign that you're rocking with a fake friend. The third sign that you're rocking with a fake friend is you're gonna find that this friend is always moving funny whenever people come around you and start to show you love. Or every time you bring a girl around this friend always starts to give bad vibes. They whole aura change, they whole personality change. That's another big sign that you're dealing with a fake friend. Like somebody come around you and they show love to you, or you got family around you showing you love. What the fake friend is gonna do is they're gonna despise that love that you're being shown, because maybe in their family they don't get love, or maybe they don't get love from their girlfriend or their boyfriend. So when they see you getting love from your girlfriend or your boyfriend, they get upset. This is another type of person you got to get out of your life. They're not good for you, because a real friend understands that different things happen to people at different stages in their life. So just because your friend may not have a girlfriend or boyfriend now, if they're a real friend, they should know that God is going to bless them with a girl or boyfriend later on. It's going to come. Their time is going to come. But a fake friend doesn't understand that, because they're ignorant. So what you'll find with a fake friend is they'll despise when people are glorifying you. They'll despise when people are bigging you up or people are celebrating you. They won't like it. You'll notice their facial expression will change. They'll be in a corner just looking real crazy, looking real mad and upset out of nowhere. And you like, damn, you my friend. You supposed to be, you're supposed to be happy for me. You're supposed to be feeling happy that I'm being celebrated if you my friend. You know what I'm saying? But unfortunately, you got some people out there who their heart and their mind isn't in the right place. And one thing that I'm a firm believer of is, if you find that somebody you rolling with doesn't have the best interest in mind for you, you don't need to be rolling with that person. That person does not need to be a part of the success that you have coming your way. You don't have time to be wasting with a fake friend. So drop a comment below. Let me know how you feel on this topic, because this is a serious thing. You got a fake friend can literally jam you up. A fake friend could literally cause you to lose your life. A fake friend could cause you to lose your freedom, could cause you to go to jail. There's a lot of things that being around fake and dishonest people that can land you in bad situations in life. And that's why I felt compelled to do this video. You know what I'm saying? Because I see so many people, I see it happen to so many people all the time. They get around people and they not able to see that those people aren't genuine, those people aren't real. Next thing you know, they get jammed up fucking with these fake friends, messing with these fake friends. So I just wanted to make this video today. I don't know who needed to hear this today, but this was on my heart. This is your boy Jon Belcher. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like my video, drop a comment below. Let me know how you feel about this topic. Also, get connected with me by clicking on the link in the description below. Hit me up on Facebook. Stream my music on all streaming platforms. I'm going to see you at the top. Peace.